some ones.
Ow!
Come here, look at this last picture right there.
Ow!
Pull back to that last. That one?
I'm glad I don't breastfeed.
What?
That one.
Good
See
Lord.
his facial expression?
Mm-hmm.
Got it good.
That's funny.
No, it's not.
All you gotta do is get her back.
But then she'll hit me.
You can get her back.
What?
That was a good one.
You always gotta pick back. That's what I do with my wife.
You know, when you pinch the end of it, it really hurts.
It's the end of it.
You did so.
Put a piece of ice.
You elastic snapped it. That's what you did.
How do you elastic slap a nipple?
You did it.
How do you do that?
I don't know, but you did, because I felt it. It hurt.
Oh, shit.
I've never had that painful titty twister. That was a hurricane.
Here, we to make it feel better.
No!
I won't pinch here. I'll rub it.
It's okay.
Here.
Tammy, it's okay.
He's got nippies.
I do! I'm nipping because it hurts.
And I couldn't snap that picture. I was trying to too.
It's small.